I like it.
We've got a bunch of things that look like mechanical pencils,
Yeah,
but they're not mechanical pencils.
they're not mechanical pencils.
So each one of these is actually different. Now, what these are very fine needle files in
Really fine.
Really fine. Okay, so if you have a closer look, now I'm going to show you all these different ones. They've all got different codes across here. Okay, so let's go with the finest one. That's the finest one here.
That's damn fine.
So you can see the 3 is for 0.3 millimeter, and the 600 is for 600 grit. So basically, what these are a metal needle file at 0.3 millimeter with 600 grit diamond surface.
Has there ever been anything like this before?
I haven't seen anything like it before.
No.
No.
And
let's see if I can get really, really tight in there. Right?
Diamond, they're going to last well.
All right, so you can see how that one comes to a point. And then these ones, they've got a slightly different code. So these are in, is it? Hang on. Oh, no, that's a pointy one as well, but 0.5. And then we've got this one, which has got the N in the code. And these are actually square rather than round. But look how thin they are.
Yeah.
Super thin. And they're designed to be, so there's my finger. So these are designed for cleaning up jewelry, if you're into that sort of craft, or really fine parts on a plastic kit, cleaning out panel lines.
I was going to say panel lines.
Yeah. And these can actually be protruding about an inch and actually quite flexible. So
Okay.
you can see from here.
Oh, right.
They're really durable.
Yeah.
And see examples there showing cleaning up a bit of jewelry, a ring. And here cleaning up.
Just what I need to clean my ring.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure you'll feel it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought I'd better pretend I was Brett.
Oh, fair enough. Fair enough. So there you go. So there's actually 6 different kinds in the pen type ones. Okay. So there's the 0.3, which is the finest, which is that one. And then you've got a variety of 0.5s. Okay. The N ones were the square ones. Oh, sorry. The N ones are the pointy ones. N for needle, I think.
Yep.
And then the other ones are the square section ones.
They are so cool.
0.5 600 grit, 0.5 800 grit, and there's a 400 grit one here as well in the needle type ones.
I'm desperately thinking of a reason I need some of these.
Pretty cool, yeah?
Just so I can have them, but
Yeah.
there's no obvious reason why
How good
I
is
need
it?
them.
But this is not the only type of tool that we got from them.
What-
this
what-
is
but
from,
wait, there's
this
more?
is from EIGER tool. So we also have this
It's
selection of
EIGER's
tools.
like a German name, but they're made in Japan.
That's right. They're Japanese made. And we've got these knife blades.
Kniffenhausens.
That's right. Well, they come with a little brass holder as well. So similar idea, but these are hobby type knives. And again, available in different thicknesses. So there's 0.3. So these two are 0.3 and 0.5. And what we've got here, if we get in tight, you can actually see it from that one.
Yeah.
So we get here, let's do a bit of zoomage.
This is not your cheap hobby knife from Bunnings.
No, that's right. So
These-
here's a chisel type one, and you'll be able to just see with the reflection all those
Yeah.
diamond bits on it.
So these are sharp as they're going to last,
Yes,
and they need to be treated with respect.
they do. So it's not just the blade on the end that you can use. You can use the whole surface there for sanding stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got this shape as a chisel. And we've got
These are next level.
this
quality
one,
tools.
which is the cut down blade. And then you've got the one which we're quite familiar with, the number 11.
Yep.
And again, you can see all the... So that's all the way across the surface. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
It's amazing how they can make this industrial diamond
I'm going
these
to have
days.
to take one of these.
You reckon? You like it?
Yeah, I like them. I like a good quality tool.
Yeah, they're good. They're good.
I don't mind paying
So there you go.
paying money for something that's really good.
So they're the
And
knives.
These are absolute next level stuff.
And these are the mechanical type pencil needle files. And we saw these in Japan and we gave them a go and we thought, wow, never even thought of it.
Mm.
Because I saw them, because some other brands have got this. There's an actual pencil for filling in panel lines,
Okay.
but this is actually there to help
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
remove material and clean up.
Very, very nice. So
Yeah.
certainly for the static modelers, these are
Yeah, for sure.
a real thing.
Absolutely. And actually, if we look on the back, I can look at the back of the knife blades. You can see the different uses. So particularly in areas where it's hard to get tools into and you want to clean up in the inside of here, you use the edge.
Yep.
Then over here, cleaning up crevices and such, recesses.
Or in Brett's case, you can use it to slash his wrists as he
could.
usually does. Yeah.
And look at the flexibility of these as well.
Yeah. I do that with a normal blade, and you think that's going to snap any second.
Yeah, quite amazing, isn't it?
I'd love to know the metallurgy behind that, how they're doing that.
It's good, isn't it? There we go.
That's really good.
So look
These
these
are-
up.
These are brand new.
Brand spanking.
Just got them in the other day.
That's right. I just hung them up on the wall. So if you want to pop in and have a look at them, but you can check them all out online as well.
Yep, definitely. There they go.
EIGER tools.
Very, very nice.
Nice.